In this video, we'll show you how to list products from your store on eBay with M2E Multichannel Connect. First, head over to the Listings tab in the app. Here, select your eBay account and click on List on eBay in the top right corner. Start by choosing which eBay marketplace you want to sell on. Then, it's time to configure your product settings using policies. Think of policies as your listing templates. Set them up once, and they'll save you time on future listings. Selling policy controls price and quantity settings for your eBay listings. Synchronization policy helps you define how the app should sync your listings between your store and eBay. Description policy lets you set up templates for product titles and descriptions. Shipping policy is where you'll configure your preferred shipping methods, and the return policy sets your return conditions. Once you've configured these settings, proceed to the next step. Now, select the products you want to list on eBay. Use filters to work in bulk. Choose all items within a specific price range, quantity, category, or other parameters. Once complete, click Next. Next, you need to set a primary category. Click Get Recommended Categories, and eBay will suggest the best fit for your products. You can accept the suggestion or manually choose a different category from existing templates, or by browsing and searching through eBay's category tree. You'll also need to fill in item specifics. This includes required and recommended specifics. The app will show you which specifics are required and which are recommended for better visibility. You have a few options here. Select from eBay's recommended values, or use attributes from your store or catalog that include the relevant product details. The app may also offer to map attributes between your store and eBay. This helps automatically pre-fill attribute data for future listings. For even more visibility, you can add a secondary category. Keep in mind, eBay charges an additional insertion fee for this option. When you're ready, click List Now to send your products live on eBay. Not quite ready? Then click Save as Draft and come back to your listings later. Now, if the M2E Listing Validator assistant appears, don't worry. This means there are a few issues to fix, like missing product information or incorrectly formatted attributes. The validator will highlight exactly what needs attention, and you can fix everything right on the same page without starting over. Once you've resolved all the issues, click List Now to go live. Or, if you need more time, save the items as incomplete and finish whenever you're ready. That's it! You're all set to start selling your products on eBay. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.